Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about a new airdrop, ARO Network, and this particular airdrop guys have raised over $2 million. You can see this right here, and the status of the airdrop says confirmed, meaning that at the end of this airdrop campaign you're likely going to receive airdrop from these guys. All right, you can see the status here says confirmed. So all you have to do guys is just to follow the steps I'm about to explain to you on how to claim this airdrop successfully. All right, this will take us less than 10 minutes to complete. All right, you can see this right here, time is 10 minutes, approximately 10 minutes. A reward date is not yet known. This is a DPIN project. You can see this right here, DPIN project, and it's actually run on Node. All right, over here is their X account, just in case you want to check out their X account. This is their X with over 42k followers, and the token we are looking to claim as airdrop is ARO. You can see this right here. Join the aeronauts and ARO from your idle internet. All right, now I'm going to explain to you the processes on how to get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel or you're not yet subscribed, come over here to our channel and smash the subscribe button. Once you click on the subscribe button, you go ahead and turn the notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. All right, now you can as well check out other videos we've dropped on this channel and take advantage of them, like this last one, Connex. We explained it. All you have to do guys is just to participate in it. It's actually a new airdrop, so you'll be able to claim out from Connex. All right, now on ARO Network, all right, once you click on the link I placed in the description box of this video, it's going to take you straight to their official airdrop site. And once you get here guys, the first thing you have to do is just to go ahead and sign up with them. Once you're done with the whole signing up process, this is what your account is going to look like. All right, and we basically have 3 different ways you can earn points from this particular ARO Network. And the first one guys is just to go ahead and run nodes. Once you run nodes and provide bandwidth to the network, you are going to earn jades. Then if you make some community contributions, all right, you're going to earn badges. All right, and if you're able to refer, you get 15% referral bonus. Now currently I have 0 jades as my reward. You can see this right here. So all I have to do guys is just to use this node section and boost it up. Once you open up this page guys, we're going to see 4 different nodes. We have this first one, ARO Board, we have ARO Link, we have ARO Clients, and ARO Lite. All right, so all you have to do guys is just to select the one you're going to make use of. Now this is paid. If you want to use this node, this is paid. It's going to cost you some amount of money for you to activate this node. This is paid as well. This ARO Clients guys is going to use more resources from your device, while this one runs with 0 costs and minimal effort to run. All right, so I'm going to use this one to start, this ARO Lite. So all I have to do guys is just to add the node. I'll click on this one that says add an ARO Lite, then I'll use this recommended one to download it. So once you get to this page guys, all you have to do is just to come up here and click on this one that says add to Chrome. Now once the node gets installed guys, this is what it looks like. All you have to do guys is just to come up here and activate it. Once you click on this power icon right here, now the next thing you have to do guys is just to go ahead and copy out this code and put it in your dashboard. Let me just head over to my dashboard, and over here guys, just down here, come up here, paste in the code you just copied and click on this one that says continue to add it as a fresh node. All right, so congratulations, your ARO Lite has been added to your dashboard successfully. Now I'll just go ahead to go to the node details on the page. Now over here guys, you can see that my node is currently online and running. All right, now in case you want to explore, all you have to do guys is just to come up here and check out some other statistics concerning this particular ARO Network on this page. All right, you can see all the details right here. And if you as well check out this campaign section, once you click on the campaign section, you'll be able to see the badges you can collect from this particular ARO Network. All right, at the moment I have this testnet CEO 1. You can actually upgrade to CEO 2 depending on your contribution to the community. All right, and remember, like I said guys in the first part of this video, that you can actually earn from 3 ways: by running nodes and your contribution to the community, and as well by inviting friends. All right, now in case you want to contribute to the community, all you have to do guys is just to come up here. I'm going to connect this later. I'm going to connect my Telegram and join the Telegram later to acquire some more badges. All right, And if you check out this one that says engage in the community, once you click on this drop down menu, you'll see what it looks like to engage in their community. All right, go ahead and connect your Discord, you post on Twitter, all right, about them, and as well bind your Ethereum wallet and verify your address. Now I'm going to quickly do this one. All right, you can as well do all of these later because it's pretty easy. All right, let me just click on this one that says connect wallet. So you're going to choose your preferred wallet. Let me just try MetaMask and see what it looks like. And once this page opens up, guys, just go ahead and click on this one that says connect. Then I'll also go ahead and click on this one that says confirm. Alright, you can see completed. I've successfully added my Ethereum wallet to this. Alright, so all I have to do, guys, now is just to go ahead and engage on their post on X, connect my Discord account and join their Discord account. Then you can as well go ahead and join their Telegram and as well acquire badges. All right, some of these badges require you to use the paid versions of the node, so just acquire the ones you can acquire. All right, if you want to buy the node, that's totally on you. All right, so do well to make your own personal research before investing in airdrops. All right, if you have questions to ask on how to boost up your airdrop balance and as well run nodes on this particular account, all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and put it down in the comment section, and I'll be bringing you more updates on ARO Network and many more airdrops to come. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.